Totally understand you. Sorry, girl.
So tomorrow at school, you can be like, oh my god, Nisa, yeah?
Tomorrow's Sunday.
Oh, I mean, well, Monday.
Woo, white girl.
Are you going to? Are you gonna like scream? Are you going? Are you going?
Oh shit.
Are you going to?
My big breast. Stop looking at me.
Are you going to? Say hi. Oh my god. Yeah? Yes. Really? No. How do you say it like that?
Yes. Stop looking at my crotch.
Sometimes when I was my chicken on the wall.
Giant tatas.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
You know what I hate? Wire code cameras.
Except for me.
How you doing?
Hi.
Okay.
What are you?
I'm not really sure.
He's not gonna watch it.
Tell it, damn it. He's coming back. I got a problem and I don't know what to do about it.
So Justin, we weren't talking about you on the camera.
No, not even. Of course not.
What do you think we said?
Of course not, guys.
What do you think we said?
I don't know. I don't.
That's the thing we You're fixing your bra.
No, I was putting on the dress.
Sorry. I think it's a cute picture though.
Hey! Why are you doing that?
Is it zoomed in?
No.
Okay. Is he zooming it in now? I'm sorry. No, not really. A little bit. Did it hurt? Can I see? Oh no, I touched right there.
I was going like this.
Oh. I thought I hit your thingies. Your balls.